When working on a network, you've got to know whether the cable you're using will work properly and provide the bandwidth needed for your application. Without that information, you're guessing in the dark. Phil Smith here for the CableIQ from Fluke Networks, one of the fastest, most efficient cable verification and qualification devices available today. Powered up, plug in your cable RJ11, RJ45, coax, even speaker wire, it does it all. Press and test and you'll have the results before the rest. The CableIQ quickly detects telco and Ethernet service and qualifies cabling in less than 4 seconds, so you will know if existing cabling will support voice, 10100, gigabit Ethernet, or voice over IP. Get insights into wire map faults, seeing lengths, shorts, opens, and split pairs with distance to specific faults. Don't waste your time with other testers, get the tool the pros use. While the others are testing, retesting, and testing again, you're the one getting the job done. Since this has the quality, reliability, and durability of a Fluke product, you know it's going to be tough. And I'm still testing. Test several cabling links at once by attaching the remote IDs. Test from one location and save time. Use the CableIQ to add site, location, and outlet information and upload to a laptop, providing valuable as-built documentation. Using the available IntelliTone with the CableIQ, you will be able to trace cables in no time, finding cables the others can't. The CableIQ is a must-have and an essential work tool, providing the data you need to quickly verify and troubleshoot your networks. The CableIQ is available in multiple configurations, starting with the CIQ-100 and the CIQ-KIT, which contains the CableIQ, IntelliTone, remote IDs, and additional accessories. Use the right tool to get the job done right the first time. Get the CableIQ from Fluke Networks. Decide which CableIQ is right for you. For more information on the IntelliTone Pro, watch the video.
This is the Fluke Networks Microscanner 2 kit and accessories. The Microscanner 2 kit is great for troubleshooting datacom, telecom, and coax cabling. Using the Microscanner 2, you'll be able to easily locate cables and identify the distance to various cable faults. Here's an example of using the wire map adapter on a bad patch cord. Now we're going to find out where this drop goes. We see it's plugged into a switch somewhere. To find the drop, start toning with the Microscanner 2. Using the IntelliTone probe, we can start to search for the cable. Switching the IntelliTone probe from locate to isolate, we can narrow down our search. Here's the cable. We can now check the wire map by just switching to cable map mode on the probe. We just located a cable plugged into an active switch without disrupting the network. Here's an example of a drop that's plugged into a PoE switch. The PoE is displayed, and the speeds that the switch is offering are shown at the top. The Microscanner 2 kit from Fluke Networks.
Everybody hates searching for cables in a messy telco closet. Finding cables can be difficult and sometimes nearly impossible, involving a lot of skill and guesswork that often results in mistakes, even among seasoned technicians. I'm Phil Smith, here to tell you about the IntelliTone Pro from Fluke Networks. Power it up, plug in your cable RJ11, RJ45, coax, even speaker wire. Use the IntelliTone Pro to quickly locate cables and locate individual pairs with a Smart Tone analog function. We've connected the toner to a random pair in our rat's nest of cabling. It's no problem for the IntelliTone Pro from Fluke Networks. The IntelliTone Pro finds the right wires every time. The IntelliTone Pro is the first toner to offer digital and analog toning in one tool and is equipped with the most powerful cable location and verification technologies for any work environment, even active networks. Validate wire maps in a flash, finding the most common wiring faults on twisted pair cabling, such as shorts, opens, and crossed pairs. The toner and probe feature a thumb wheel ergonomic design, and status indicators give easy-to-read feedback. The mystery of identifying cable services becomes history. Know if it's a data, telco, or dead jack instantly. Use the 100 to detect line 1 voltage, polarity, and ring. The IntelliTone Pro 200 adds line 2 troubleshooting. Confirm telecom circuits with the built-in talk battery capability and validate telephone service and polarity. Need to validate Ethernet service? No problem. No need for a laptop or other tools. Once you've located the cable, the next step is to verify continuity. The IntelliTone Pro makes it easy, eliminating the need for separate diagnostic tools. Find cables the others can't. Get the IntelliTone Pro from Fluke Networks. There are two different models to choose from. The IntelliTone Pro 100, designed for single-line telco applications, and the 200, used for two-line applications and includes a jack on the probe for wire mapping.